We'll be taking a look at DIRV. The last time that we've taken a look at this stock is going to be, looks like January 22nd, and that was going to be a 0004 on hold. Looks like selling. That was going to be my opinion then. So again, that's going to be a while here. Back over here, 0004 coming down, trying to get an idea where we're at right here in this general area. Just not too much to add to that. You guys had a nice pop over here, 598 million shares, taking you guys from the open at 0004 all the way up to the high of 0014. Then that following day, you guys already had that warning with that gap down. That's right there. It's going to show interest being lost right there when a stock goes from that area. In a perfect world, you would want to see a 0013 open and then continue up. I don't like any gaps down because they both have their own meaning. One's going to be the demand's too high. One of them is going to be the demand's too low. Kind of got to get that even mark of an open here to show just a nice steady interest in it, right? That being said, at the 0012 open, you guys hit that high at 1.4 and that low is 0007 and closed at 0008. Again, opened up and started pulling down, and that's what we're seeing right here. Essentially, big move up, selling right back down, bringing it down here. I believe, let me see if we can get some here. Yeah, all right, so you're going to have a little bit of support at 0006, followed up by the 0004. Not too much here between 0005, and then that's going to be your support levels right there. Like I said, 6 and 4. Resistance is going to put you guys at 8. And then probably it's going to be up higher off of that. So again, I would definitely start with the homework of why did this thing pop, and why is there no interest right afterward? That is what I see in it.
All right, so they had a press release on April 27th, and it was DirectView completes acquisition of 2 privately held Texas-based security and surveillance companies with combined fiscal 2016 revenue of approximately $5.3 million. So DirectView Holdings, a company focused on ownership and management of leading video and security technology companies, on April 27th announced that it has completed the acquisition of Video Surveillance LLC and Apex CCTV LLC, the acquisition companies. 2 Texas-based video security and surveillance companies operated and solely owned by Mark D. Harris. Based on the unaudited financial statements for fiscal 2016, the combined revenue of the acquisition companies is approximately $5.3 million. Under the terms of the securities purchase agreement, DirectView acquired all of the issued and outstanding equity interests of each of the acquisition companies for a minimum of approximately $1.9 million in cash to be paid approximately 6 months from the date of acquisition. Upon the successful completion of the 2-year audit of the acquisition companies in accordance with U.S. GAAP accounting standards for the fiscal years ended 2016 and 2015, DirectView will be obligated to pay an additional amount ranging from $2,000 up to $500,000 based on the positive average annual cash flow achieved in those 2 years. DirectView has received a non-binding term sheet to finance the payments as well as to fuel future growth of the combined companies. The company also intends to explore a number of potential financing sources to achieve the best long-term results for the company and its shareholders. For a more detailed description of the SPA, please review our current report on Form 8-K filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission on April 26, 2017. So it says, it also goes on to say, as part of the transaction, Mark D. Harris has entered into a 3-year employment agreement with DirectView, where he will serve as president and acquisition companies of the acquisition companies. Mr. Harris is a technology service veteran with over 25 years experience and a proven track record of building profitable revenue growth. He served for 19 years at Intervoice, formerly traded as NASDAQ INTV, a world leader in delivering natural, innovative ways for people to interact, transact, and communicate through technology. As Senior Vice President of Americas Operations and Global Services at Intervoice, he led a team which was responsible for pioneering the execution of the new enterprise-hosted solutions business, support advanced self-service applications and intelligent transactions. Beginning in 2008, upon the acquisition of Intervoice by Converges Corporation, and they are on the New York Stock Exchange, CVG. Served as Senior Vice President of Global Technology Services at Convergys Corporation through 2014. Brings a wealth of experience in M&A integration, business development, and strategic planning to DirectView management team. So, I mean, it goes on to there's more, obviously, but I'm limited on my time on it. So, if you want to continue reading that actual press release regarding these two acquisitions and actually look more into, the thing they told you to go and pull up the 8K. So, if you want to do that, go right over to that DIRV board on Investors Hangout. Right there, you'll see the filings and you'll see the 8K right over there on the 26th. And you'll also see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, and the financials and the buy rating. If you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that DirectView Holdings board.
All right, DIRV right now with the stock chart, 0006. Resistance is going to be at 8 and 0012. Support at 0006. 4. We'll need interest here, in my opinion. Like I said, with the pop right there, pulling it all back down, maybe a stabilizer on that 0006 and start bouncing up from here. It'd be definitely one I would like to keep an eye on. So if you follow the stock, make sure you get out there and share it. We'd appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will continue to cover it. And join us for our next live show, investorshangout.com/live.